Welcome to your Ethereum News Roundup. Here's your latest for Friday, March 14th, 2025. Paradigm introduces Stateless Reth, Summer of Protocols returns for its third cohort, and Ethereum Film announces its global release schedule. All this and more starts right now. Paradigm released Reth version 1.3, the latest version of its Ethereum execution client written in Rust. The release addresses and fixes all known issues with Pectra. Reth version 1.3 also introduces Stateless Reth, also known as RES, a fully validating Ethereum execution layer that reduces node storage requirements to just 14 gigabytes. Stateless nodes on Ethereum help improve decentralization, scale the Layer 1 gas limit, enhance Layer 2s, and enable the implementation of native rollups. In a stateless Ethereum model, nodes don't need to store the entire chain state history to process transactions. Instead, each block provides only the necessary data through proofs, allowing nodes to validate blocks without having to access the chain history. The Summer of Protocols is accepting applications for its third cohort. The program focuses on research and development in the realm of protocols, and this year's theme, Accelerating Order, aims to showcase how protocolization can be dynamic and constructive. The program is divided into 3 tracks: protocol education, scene making, and technical foundations. The Protocol Education track offers $500,000 in grants to faculty and educators for developing courses on protocols. The Scene Making track supports the exploration and development of protocol fiction featuring writing contests. And lastly, the Technical Foundations track features workshops dedicated to the formalization of protocols. And lastly, Vitalik, an Ethereum story, a community-funded feature documentary exploring the creation of Ethereum, is set for a global release on April 15th. The documentary will be available for mainstream streaming on Apple TV and Amazon Prime Video. Filmed over 3 years across 28 cities and 15 countries, the documentary dives into Vitalik Buterin's journey and the worldwide community of Ethereum developers. This has been a roundup of today's top news stories in Ethereum. You can support this podcast by subscribing and following us at ETH Daily. Also subscribe to our newsletter at ethdaily.io. Thanks for listening. We'll see you next time.